Good day everyone, my name is Abdul Bashir Abang, and this video explains the functioning, installation, and importance of on-site sewage treatment system or OSST in rural and remote areas where centralized sewer systems are unavailable. It details how this decentralized system treats and disposes of wastewater on site, emphasizing proper placement, design, regulatory compliance, maintenance, and environmental protection to ensure safe wastewater management and protect public health. The on-site sewage treatment system is a decentralized wastewater treatment solution designed for properties without access to centralized sewer lines, primarily in rural or remote locations. It treats wastewater on site through natural and mechanical process to protect the environment and public health. The OSST system handles wastewater by combining mechanical treatment and natural filtration. Wastewater from a property first enter a septic tank where solids are separated and settled. The liquid effluent then moves to the drain field where soil filtration and microbial action further clean the water before it re-enters the groundwater system. This approach avoids the high cost and impracticality of extending centralized sewer infrastructure. Proper site selection is critical. Adequate drain field space and well-drained soil ensures effective filtration. Drained field or leach field, area of well-draining soil where filtered effluent is dispersed. Proper soil condition and enough space are essential to avoid contamination. Distance requirement to prevent a contamination. A septic tank must be at least 50 feet or 15.2 meters away from water wells. Drain fields need to maintain at least 100 feet or 30.5 meters, and seepage pit is 150 feet from well. Next is the soil percolation rate. The soil percolation rate is the ability of soil to absorb water must be appropriate. Too slow leads to backups. Too fast reduces filtration efficacy. Next is the installation process. First is excavation. Involves digging trenches for tank pipe. Next is tank placement. Septic tank must be installed on level ground to ensure proper separation of solids and liquids. Third is pipe installation. Pipes are installed with a slight slope grade to ensure gravity carries the wastewater correctly. The number 4 is community system. Community systems serve multiple households requiring careful planning to prevent overloading. And then the final inspection by health authorities checks for leaks, correct installation, and compliance with standards. To prevent contamination of drinking waters and nearby environment, here are the minimum required distances. First is the septic tank to water wells at least 50 feet or 15.2 meters. To drain field to water wells is at least 100 feet or 30.5 meters. And then seepage pit to water wells must be around 150 feet or 45.7 meters. This setback helps ensure wastewater has enough time and space to be naturally filtered before it can reach the groundwater. The OSST system is an effective decentralized wastewater treatment method tailored for rural or remote properties. Its success hinges on proper site selection, regulatory compliance, careful installation, and regular maintenance. When well managed, it safeguards water quality and the environment while offering a practical alternative to centralized sewer system. And that's all. Thank you.